Hey guys, Tyler here with SmartThings. I want to give you a few tips to get started with your SmartThings devices. We're going to take about 15 minutes to show you just how simple it is to turn your home into a smart home. Let's get started. One of the first things you'll notice when you unbox your hub is you have a couple of cables and a power plug. So you'll start off by taking the micro USB power cord here, plugging in to the power port, and then taking the other end of the micro USB and plugging it into the back of the hub. Take the plug, put it into a receptacle, and you'll see as I do that, this light right here will turn red, go off, and then start blinking blue. What that's indicating is it's trying to talk to our servers. As soon as I plug in the Ethernet, we should see that go into a solid green, indicating it's connected. Take the Ethernet, plug it into one side, and then take the other end of the Ethernet and plug it into your router. You want to make sure when you place the hub, wherever it ends up in your house, you're going to want to keep it a little bit away from any other electronic devices. It's fine to have it this far, but you don't want to stack it on top of the router or any other electronics. In a second here, it's going to go solid blue, and then momentarily we should see that light turn solid green. Okay, now that we've connected the hub, we're going to get things set up in the SmartThings app. So I've downloaded it here on my iPhone, and I'm going to go in to log in. Now, if you bought this on the SmartThings shop, you'll already have an account. We use single sign-on, so you can use the same credentials that you use to sign up for your SmartThings shop account. If not, if you bought it on Amazon or somewhere else, you go in here and sign up for a new one. So we'll do that right now. Okay, we've filled out all the fields, so now we're going to go ahead and click Create Account. It'll take a second here, and it's going to kick us right into the app and be logged in. So it's going to welcome you. It's just going to take a few minutes to get connected. Go ahead and tap Next. Now on the screen, it's going to have you give your location a name. For most of you, that's just going to be home, unless you're setting this up at work or somewhere else. I'm going to leave it as home. If you'd like to, you can choose a custom picture for your location. There's a number of predefined options in here, or you can take your own custom image. I'm going to go with this one. And then lastly, you can tell it where your home is. And the reason you want to do this is so that you can do specific things depending on if you're home or away from your hub. So I'll tap in here, and it's going to pop up with this wayfinder. It tells you how to place a pin. I'm going to swipe through and resize the location, the geofence of your location. Tap Get Started. And like it was saying, if you want to increase the size of this, you simply hold down on the black dot and pull out. I think that's about right, so I'll keep it there, and it's geolocated me correctly. So I'll go ahead and click Save. Great, and now the hub's activated. So if your hub is up to date and on the latest firmware, it'll tell you that, which it's doing here. If we've pushed out an update since you purchased your hub, you'll get a notice saying so. And it's going to automatically update you if that's the case. You just want to stay patient if it does need to go through that firmware update process, because it can take 10 minutes or so. Since we're up to date, I'm going to click Next, and we're done. Click Done, and it's going to kick us right into the dashboard.